Good am I? In this video, we're gonna learn the more advanced way to use noise reduction in your video. So buckle up and let's get into it. So first of all, guys, I'm gonna recommend you using a good pair of headphones in this video. I'm strongly suggesting you that you use a studio headphone like this, whatever the brand is. By the way, I'm using Audio Technica here. I'm using this headphone for years because I love it. By the way, this is Audio Technica M50X. You can use your studio headphones. So let's jump into Premiere Pro. So we have this short movie, right? So you already knew that this short movie is kind of noisy in the audio side, right? So I will delete this first. As you already knew, to eliminate noise is using the noise reduction by using the denoise effect in Adobe Premiere, right? Either you're using in your audio clip or your audio track. Let me give another example to you, noise reduction and denoise. Let's say we will use 50%, right? So let's hear the result.
Biar kamu bisa ingat lagi tentang kita.
Okay. Before. Biar
kamu bisa ingat lagi tentang kita.
Makasih udah bikin aku.
Oh, it's kind of noisy, right? So this is the after 50%. Okay.
Biar kamu bisa ingat lagi tentang kita.
Makasih udah bikin aku sadar hari ini.
You already know how to do that, right? So what is the cons by using this technique is the effect is not immediate. How do I describe it? There is some millisecond of the noise and then clean audio. Noise, some millisecond, like and boom, clean audio. Okay, it's not constant. Okay, it's inconsistent. So how do we get more consistent result? Is by using Adobe Audition. Okay, so right click here, edit clip in Adobe Audition. By the way, you can always mix down your audio first, or if you want to edit one by the clip, so you can more precise with your audio processing, you can use this technique. Okay, this is not standard workspace, by the way. Let me hide it for you. Okay, this is the standard or default workspace in Adobe Audition, right? So as you see, this is the noise. All right,
Biar kamu bisa ingat lagi tentang kita.
noisy. Okay, but if I use noise reduction like the noise here, 50%, I don't see the change in the waveform, right? So how do I see the result in the waveform before I apply the effect? Is by using preview window. Click here, show preview editor, boom. As you see here, the zoom is mirrored first. Okay, make sure your zoom is mirrored. So as you see, the noise is kinda gone, right? This is the noise and this is the less noise result. Easy. So visually, you can determine if your audio is noisy or not. But if you want to get more detail of your audio result is by using audio spectral display. Let's click this, Shift D or show spectral frequency display, and boom. As you see here, this is the noise. This is so noisy and this is much better. There is not much noise left in this result, right? So if you want to apply it, just click apply and boom, a better and cleaner audio. Easy, right? So if you have any question, drop your comment below and see you in the next one.